us please welcome Josh Tucker.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Fun fact, today is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yep, thank you. Today is the day my mom brought me into this world. I think she deserves a round of applause. What did you say?
Was it a mistake?
No. She wanted me.
Okay.
Please put your hands together for her. I love my mom so much. And one thing is, growing up, my mom spoiled me with so much attention. Right? If I'm going out, my mom say, call me when you leave the house. Call me when you get a bus. Call me when the bus moves. Even till now, she still does. As I was coming on stage, and I say, Mom, I'm about to get on stage. She say, okay, after your second joke, you call me. Please put your hands together for her. Love her so much. But the thing now is, my mom is putting me under pressure to get back into a relationship. I said get back because I'm currently going through a breakup. Yeah, I know. Breakups are hard, man. And the way girls are these days, they're very strategic with their breakup. This girl broke up with me a day before my grandmother's burial. Come see me for the burial, they cry. People, they console me. It's okay, she lived a good life. I said, you don't go understand. And like, she didn't just break up with me, like she left me for another guy. So the words they were using to console me at the burial were not helping. They were saying things like, it's okay. She's in a better place. She's with her daddy now. Resting in his bosom. This is the one that bossed my, he will take care of her. Relationships are hard, man. And I've come to realize that in relationships that I don't think anyone has a spec. We like to deceive ourselves that we do, but I don't think we really do. I was talking to a girl the other day. So what do you like in a guy? I just like a guy that is sapiosexual. Girl with extra yell. Saying that sapiosexual. I really don't think I don't think we have specs. Even me, right? I did my analysis and I've come like, the difference between the girl I was dating before, that's my ex, and my talking stage, far apart. Let me give you an example. My ex had 10 piercings, like 5 here, 5 here. My talking stage does not have any. My ex is a drunkard. No, I'm not exaggerating. Like, she drinks to die. Like, she just drinks alcohol for fun. My talking stage does not drink at all. And I came to realize that, like, what, like, makes me like this person? Then I realized that, she's very funny. How many of you like funny girls? Yes. I used to think I was funny, but, like, she chose, like, subtle jokes. The other day, I was like, so you left home at what time to get to work? She said, I left home at 6:59. I was like, so you left home at 7? She said, no, I left home at 6:59. I said, 6:59 and 7, what's the difference? She said, 1 minute now. A lot can happen in 1 minute. You say if you know. I said, yes. Crazy. And when you're going through a breakup, the crazy thing about going through a breakup is the advice you get. Like, everybody will just be advising you. But I don't think you should follow every advice because people deal with things differently. You agree, right? Like, if you break up with a girl, the first thing she does is to buy a new wig, for closure. People just deal with breakups differently. But for me, I decided to see a therapist. Worst mistake ever. So this therapy session was for 4 weeks. I went the first week, I saw her. Went the second week, I saw her. Went the third week, then I realized that she wasn't there. So I asked the assistant, what happened? That's when she told me that my therapist has gone for therapy. Why? Because every time I came to meet her and I told her that, like, this girl did this to me, she disrespected me, she said the same thing. Come on, you're a strong man. Things fall out of place, so things can fall in place. Let her go. I'll come again the next week. She would not put me first. She always thinks about herself. She's selfish. Come on. Things fall out of place, so things can fall in place. Let her go. So when I came the third week and she wasn't around, and the assistant said I should call her, I was like, is everything okay? She said, yes, call her. So I called her. She was like, Joshua. I was like, yes. Can I confide in you? Yeah? That's when she told me that her fiancé of 3 years is getting married to somebody else. I felt sad. She said, Joshua, won't you say anything? I said, come on. You are a strong woman. Things fall out of place, so things can fall in place. Let him go. I really hope to get into a relationship soon, though. But that's just really, to be honest, I think it's just to make my mom happy. Because my mom and I have that relationship. My dad and I don't. Like, really, we don't. And I think the reason why we don't have that relationship is because my dad gave up on me early, very early. Yeah. I was 5, right? Like, I was 5. And my dad asked, what do you want to be in life? Did you know what you wanted? Even now, I'm not sure I know. And when I was 5, my dad asked, what do you want to be in life? And I just needed to give him a reply. So I was like, I wanted to sell fuel at the filling station. Don't judge me. Have you seen the money in their hand? I used to think it was their own. And like, okay, let me give you context. For those who don't know, I went to Covenant University. So you can imagine how hard it was telling my dad that I wanted to become a stand-up comedian. When I told him I wanted to be a comedian, I said, wait, you want to be a clown? I said, no, it's comedy is different. I said, no, now. Have you showed me any of your jokes before? That's apart from your results. Any other joke? When I was in 100 level, my dad said, if you can finish with a first class, oil companies don't take less than first class. Finish with a first class and a job is sure for you. When I was in 200 level, I was on the 2-1. My dad said, accounting firm, audit firms, they don't take less than 2-1. Finish with a 2-1 and a job is sure for you. When I was in 300 level, I was on a 2-2. My dad said, if you can finish with a 2-2, I have friends who run multi-millionaire companies. They might not be the richest in the world, but just finish with a 2-2 and a job is sure for you. When I was in 400 level, I was on the 3rd class. My dad called me. He said, if you can finish. I said, it's worse. I said, just finish. When I finished, I went to meet him. I said, Dad, I'm done. He said, wow, that's nice. Mobile is recruiting. I was like, wow, the oil company? He said, no, the filling station. You guys have been amazing. Enjoy the rest of the day.